Alright, I figured I'd do a quick video on the Galaxy 3723. I'm taking it back to the farm tomorrow. I got it cleaned up a little bit and got the thermal override switch replaced. The original one went out for some reason, but this is a 92-93 model with a full-size motor, obviously because it's got a square cabinet. Runs pretty well. It's pretty quiet on low. Put on medium. Alright. Blows a pretty good bit amount of air. It's pretty quiet too. I do like the blades on this. Runs pretty well. It does need a little bit more oil, but I think it still runs good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great evening.